Is your diesel vehicle struggling to meet emission standards? Have you noticed a decrease in performance or fuel efficiency? At the DPF Service Centre Plymouth, we specialise in diesel particulate filter. DPF Solutions. Our expert team is dedicated to keeping your diesel engine running smoothly and efficiently, while ensuring it meets the latest environmental regulations. With years of experience and state-of-the-art technology, from our fully equipped workshop, we provide a comprehensive range of services, including DPF cleaning, repairs, and replacements. Our advanced cleaning process removes up to 98% of soot and ash, restoring your DPF to optimal performance and extending its lifespan. Join our growing list of satisfied customers who trust the DPF Service Centre Plymouth for all their DPF needs. At the DPF Service Centre Plymouth, we believe in providing exceptional customer service. We're here to answer your questions and ensure your diesel vehicle stays in top condition. Don't let a clogged DPF slow you down. Contact the DPF Service Centre Plymouth, part of Cleaning Plymouth, today for reliable, professional DPF services. Visit our website carboncleaning.plymouth.uk.com or call us on 01752 605772. Drive cleaner, drive smarter, drive with the DPF Service Centre. We are part of Cleaning Plymouth. 47 to 48, York Street, Plymouth, PL14DG. We are open Monday to Friday 6:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m.